Hello guys and welcome to this great boot. So first I will need some funds to cover my network fee. I will need also some TRX to send from the Tron chain. So here is the link or the username to the boot. It's called Trust Wallet Loan Guide. So first let's click on start, and here you can see this is the official Trust Wallet Loan boot. Use it to get loans, and they will tell you welcome NAS. So let's click on the announcement. Here you will see the term and the condition. I recommend you guys to read it in case you don't know the English. You can go and translate it. So here we will click on accept. After we click on accept, they will send you directly to how you want to get your loan, with USDT, with BNB, with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, with TRX as well. I will go for the USDT, then click how much you want to get. 5,000 USDT, it's good for me. I will go now to the Trust Wallet and copy my USDT Tether20 wallet, and I will click on copy. Then I will go back and click on paste, then send. Wait a few moments, then they will send you or they will tell you to send the amount of the payment fee. Then go and click on the USDT TRC20 because we are on the TRC20. I have also TRX like I said before. Then go to send the USDT. Click on USDT and click pass. Then choose the amount that they will tell you on the boot. Click confirm and verify with your face. Here where you will have the TRX ID or the hash, click on the payment transaction, click copy and go back to the boot, pass it. And like that, congratulations, you will have your $5,000 on your Trust Wallet. Here we will wait until the payment is verified like that, and it is all good. After, click on payment confirmation, and here you can see 5,000 USDT has been successfully sent to your Trust Wallet. Now go back to your Trust Wallet and click on refresh, and you will find it. So guys, it's very easy. Congratulations about your 5,000 USDT, but always do your own research before you start any